In a country where drinking and driving is generally accepted, and with the lack of road safety regulations and a total negligence by the authorities for driving under the influence, we wanted to find a way to raise the issue to the Lebanese youth in a serious yet playful way. Our objective was to help Nissan position the new Sentra and Juke as brands that cared enough about their customers' safety. So we set ourselves the most challenging task ever, making sure that drunk people got back home safe and sound after a crazy night out. The idea: suggest an arrest with Nissan. We launched our campaign in the most popular bars around the country and through various media channels, asking people to care enough for their friends to actually have them arrested for having one too many drinks. The idea was simple. We created a Facebook app where you suggest and we arrest. Whenever your friends weren't sober, Nissan took over. The app allowed people to brief our Nissan squad about the location of their drunk driving friends. The squad raided the suggested locations and made the suspects undergo their very first sobriety test.
عادة قد ايه بتكسب تحس حالك برأيك أنا كفوليس أمن عليك تروح لحالك؟
Those who failed were arrested in a friendly manner and driven home safely. The initiative spread quickly as we posted arrests online. The topic ran on all major social network channels, making news around the world, receiving a countless number of suggests. We busted and potentially saved the lives of over 30 drunk drivers in less than 4 weeks, while at the same time creating an on-ground engagement with over 3,000 people. The Nissan Suggest and Arrest activation is now responsible for what can possibly become one of the country's best shifts in road safety.